Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At pagpasensyahan nyo na yung boses ko dahil meron akong sore throat. So I'll just try my best to give you a reading kasi it's been a while now since the last time I did a reading for you. So let's see kung ano yung parating sa inyo in the next 2 weeks from the time na mapanood nyo to kasi this is a timeless reading. So let's begin. Oh, by the way, if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video. Comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Okay, let's begin, Sagittarius. What's coming to you in the next 2 weeks? Yin. So you're going to tap into your creative side and your feminine side. This is about receiving So maaring you're someone who's going to receive a message, receive an idea, receive knowledge. Okay, so you are open to something new sa buhay mo. This is also tapping into your instinct, your intuition, and your nurturing energy. So yung iba sa inyo, in the next 2 weeks, you will focus on taking care of yourself, practicing self-love, self-care. Happy. So in the next 2 weeks, you will celebrate something happy para sa buhay mo. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong achievement in your career, in your business, in your relationship. It's like parang merong recognition sa inyo, meron kayong goal na na-achieve and it makes you happy, no? Na nakuha mo yung goal mo. You also have poised. So some of you are confident, no? Meron kayong certain confidence sa sarili ninyo that is helping you grow, that is helping you become like a stronger version of yourself. Yung iba sa inyo in the next 2 weeks, you will change your or improve. I-improve mo yung iyong styling. Pwedeng iba sa inyo magpapaayos ng hair, magpapakulay ng hair, or meron kayong bagong style na ipopossess for your wardrobe, no? Yung parang tipong bibili ka ng bagong set of clothes na gusto mo, ganun yung maipipresenta mo sa mundo, 'di ba? Na maayos na pananamit. I also see you getting ready for something, parang meron kang pinaghahandaan. May pinaghahandaan kang competition, meron kang pinaghahandaang presentation that you want yourself to be well presented, kumbaga. So let's see, nagpakita yung 8 of Cups. Maaring some of you are leaving a situation. Okay, so let's see your overall energy. You have the Tower. There's a release of the old ways. So yung iba sa inyo, maaaring major awakening to of the things that are no longer serving you. You're about to let go of that. Kaya you are embracing a new version of yourself. You're transforming, no? In the next 2 weeks. Marami kang realization sa buhay. What is your challenge? The Hierophant. I think ang challenge sa'yo ngayon yung belief system mo. Yung pananaw mo sa buhay nagbabago. Yung mga dati mong pananiniwalaan nagbabago kasi nung mga bata tayo, meron tinatawag na indoctrination na ini-instill sa atin ng specific na mentality, specific information, specific belief system or tradition na nung bata tayo, akala natin yun yung absolute, na yun na talaga yun. But when we grow older at mas na-expose tayo sa mundo at nagkakaroon tayo ng opportunity na i-explore yung ating sariling pananaw, no? So, yung challenge sa'yo ngayon is kung paano mo tatanggapin yung mga katotohanan o yung mga realization mo sa buhay at kung paano mo ile-let go yung inaakala mong yun na yung absolute na bagay ay hindi pala yun. So, you get my point? Kasi mahirap kasing i-touch ang religion because masyadong religious ang mga Pilipino, no? So, anything about religion, about politics, mahirap siyang pasukin pagdating sa discussion. But it's not just about, religion per se. It can also be your mindset. Na kung dati pinalaki ka ng parents mo na kailangan mag-aral kang maigi para magkaroon ka ng trabaho, maging empleyado ka, para kumita ka at para maging secure yung buhay mo. But you realize na hindi pala ganun talaga, no? In some cases, hindi ganun. And you realize na hindi lang pala sa pagiging empleyado pwedeng yumaman or kumita ng pera o magkaroon ng financial stability. And that's what you are learning right now. Kaya nga meron kang release of the old system. Yung lumang sistema na pinagana mo sa buhay mo. And then your opportunity is the Four of Swords, which is rest. Taking a break. You have the opportunity to take a break, take a rest. If medyo naging stressful sa'yo, yung mga nakaraan na taon, nakaraang buwan or araw sa'yo, no? Kasi this is a timeless reading. So ngayon, may opportunity ka na magpahinga, magbakasyon, enjoy your life, go out can be with your friends or just by yourself with your loved ones. And magkaroon ng self-reflection. Your blessing is the Seven of Swords. I think as a blessing, i-reveal sa'yo kung sino ang mga totoo sa'yo. And minsan, mahirap tanggapin na merong mga tao na akala natin kakampi natin pero hindi pala, no? So, it's like a blessing in disguise para sa'yo. You have the house. So this is about stability in your life. So yes, in the next 2 weeks, you will experience stability in your resources or maaring sa bahay, you might have your own house or have your own place. You also have a ship, so pwedeng may travel opportunity for you. This can also mean travel with your friends, or some of you may be moving to a new place. Meron ditong romance. Okay, so some of you will meet someone, or if you're already connecting with someone right now, in the next 2 weeks, magkakaroon kayo ng mas malalim na connection with this person. So maaring this person is a masculine energy para sa iba sa inyo. Okay, money, career, finances. Sagittarius, ayan. Importante na isusulat mo yung goals mo para alam mo kung ano yung na-achieve mo na. Kasi pag may natatrack mo siya, mas naiengganyo ka na gawin, ipagpatuloy. Kasi nakikita mo may resulta eh. Ayan kahit na mabagal, at least nakikita mo na merong progress. Diba? Sabi nga, slow and steady wins the race. Some of you will also help others, no? Kahit yung simpleng pagbigay ng assistance, monetary assistance sa friend, or pagbili ng mga product sa mga nagtitinda sa kalye, that's also your way of helping them. So, meron kang charity work. Sa relationship, Some of you may be dealing with a person na meron ng anak. Pero, syempre, nasa sa inyo if you want this person na maging part ng buhay mo. Kasi I think yung iba sa inyo tatanggapin nyo yun. Yung anak kasi hindi sa inyo, ha? Kasi pwedeng makilala nyo, may anak na pala, may past relationship. Be your own first priority. Ayan, syempre, hindi porket meron kang ibang responsibility sa iba, ay kakalimutan mo na yung sarili mo. Ikaw yung unang-unang priority. Ikaw dapat yung unang mong priority. Kasi kung hindi mo naaalagaan yung sarili mo, medyo mahihirapan kang alagaan rin yung iba. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. See you again.